The new Polaroid cube is awesome. You can do so many cool things with it. The cube comes in lots of different colors.
It's red, black, blue.
Even though it looks little, the cube is built tough. If you splash a little water on it, it's okay, but just a little. When you put it in an underwater case, you can take it into the pool with you. And with the new app, someone else can watch what you're recording from their phone at the same time.
I can see myself.
The cube accessories let you put your cube on your helmet, on your bike,
Have fun.
on your car, or on your dog. And it's magnetic. Kids love it because you can do fun things and then watch yourself doing it. Moms love it because you can record memories to watch again later.
Make a wish.
What's also great about the cube is that it's so little. It fits in your pocket, so it's easy to take with you anywhere you go. To the zoo, to the beach, to your friend's house, or to the park. The Polaroid cube.
Let's see you.
Hey everyone, my name is Nikhil.
My name is Alejandro.
And we're the two co-founders of Back to the Roots. And we're super excited to share with you guys today our second product, the Aqua Farm.
The Aqua Farm is a self-cleaning fish tank that grows food.
So the fish feeds the plants, and the plants clean the water. It's a small, sustainable ecosystem right on your kitchen counter.
The fish, they poo and they pee, and all that waste, which normally just builds up in regular aquariums, actually gets pumped up to the grow bed and broken down by the plants into a perfect organic fertilizer.
The clean water then falls right back into the tank. And the best part about it is that all of this is happening without any soil or chemical fertilizers. The plants are growing just on rocks, and all the nutrients are coming from the fish.
So all you have to do is just feed Sammy.
We spent 6 months working with the top industrial designers and aquaponics experts to make the Aqua Farm beautiful and incredibly simple to set up and maintain.
No green thumb or toolbox required, and it can fit in any kitchen or classroom across the country.
And something we're really proud about is how she found the perfect manufacturer right here in our backyard.
So every Aqua Farm is made in California. The Aqua Farm comes with everything you need to get set up. Organic seeds, fish food, a starter pump, and a coupon for your very own Sammy from Petco.
Just fill with water, add your fish, and plant seeds.
It's been so cool watching this community of aqua farmers develop and everyone just making this their own.
People are adding snails and shrimp and grow lights. It's been so fun to watch. So join the movement and get growing with the Aqua Farm.
Happy farming, everyone.
This is AirBar. AirBar brings touch to your new or existing PC by projecting an invisible light field over the screen. And what's good about light is that it responds to pretty much anything. So you can swipe with your gloves or long fingernails, pinch with your chopsticks, scroll while you're cooking, or why not use a paintbrush? You get the idea. With AirBar, you get touch gestures when you need them. It's easy to attach, it's sleek, it won't drain your battery, and you can unplug it when you want to. Best of all, there's no manual, no installation. It's plug and touch. It just works. AirBar, plug and touch when you need it.
Introducing the Hydra, designed to bring modern creature comforts along for the ride. The most significant feature is the powerful Bluetooth speaker built into the cap. Your smartphone playlists provide the source, and the Hydra keeps you rocking in all these locations and more. The speaker is removable, so you can flip it, place it on a table, and extend the legs. This augments the sound by bouncing the high end, while the legs transmit the low end into the table, increasing the bass. While on your bicycle, listening to music with headphones is simply dangerous. They reduce your aural awareness of your surroundings. With the Hydra, your music goes with you, but safely. Of course, we can't live without our trusty smartphones, especially when out and about. So we built a charger into the base of the bottle that will fully replenish your device. Keep the music thumping and charge anywhere. But guess what? The Hydra is just getting started. We've added powerful LEDs to the base of the bottle that shine up into the frosted surface and refract through the liquid. At a picnic table, the solid white light makes a great lamp to illuminate your ghost stories or play games by. Or set your Hydra on your bedside table for a reading lamp. Not only does the bottle provide midnight hydration, the lamp can be set to color fade to set the mood for a calming sleep. Now, add our free Hydra Nighttime app. It sends soothing sounds to your Hydra and ensures you'll be lulled away to dreamland. The Hydra's most important lighting system, though, has your safety in mind. The bright red light will ensure you aren't missed while on the road at night. We have sculpted the body, modernized the look, and improved the grip. The addition of the speaker ring will improve upon the already fantastic sound. An FM radio receiver, and even a microphone so you can take phone calls on the trail, plus a carabiner with a bottle opener, and even a secret storage space that will hold keys and cash. And, as expected, we will be offering the Hydra in a variety of colors.
Color is everywhere. We all see items that inspire, but how do we get that perfect match in a paint color? Introducing Color Muse. Color matching made easy. Scan a color. Find the exact product match for paint, flooring, textile, apparel, accessories, and more. Match any color, anytime, anywhere, instantly. The Color Muse system works with your smart device. It's perfect for consumers, DIYers, contractors, and interior designers. Color your muse. Muse your color. Color Muse. Color matching made easy.